This Delonghi Nespresso coffee machine helps you start your mornings right, providing you with easy-to-make coffee in no time. You can have your morning coffee made just by pressing one of the 6 beverage buttons, which makes things really easy. Choose the drink you fancy and it will be made right in front of you, with buttons for espresso, creamy latte, cappuccino, latte macchiato and hot milk. It saves you from waiting by reducing the time it takes to heat up. ThermoBlock gets the water to the perfect temperature in just 25 seconds. It gives you the freedom to choose between using coffee cups or glasses, or by simply utilising the adjustable drip tray.